So trying to understand a pretty important topic today, that is the life cycle of a star. So let's understand what happens within a star. So here we have a beautiful star, and so star has nothing but hydrogen and helium. So there are hydrogen fusion taking place, and fusion is nothing but when two atoms combine. So this always releases energy. So within the star there are forces that's trying to push it outside, and then from outside there is gravity that's trying to push the star inside. So usually these two forces are balanced, so the size is constant. But as the hydrogen is not unlimited, with time hydrogen fusion will reduce. So of course this energy will reduce as well, and gravity is still constant, so it will predominate, and for some time the size will start to shrink. Okay, but hydrogen and helium are very rebellious. Helium says, I'll stay at the middle, hydrogen you go at the periphery. So now hydrogen is at the periphery, and this plan increases the volume so much that again the forces that's within the star start to rise, and the size starts to increase. So this is called the red giant. Okay, and the star starts to cool down here. Okay, so that's why it takes the red color. So that's why it's a red giant. Our sun will also become red giant in 5.5 billion years. So but this plan doesn't work for long. The hydrogen depletes again, and gravity then again predominates, and the size it starts to shrink, and then shrink further and shrink. Okay, and then it finally reaches the limit where it just bursts. Okay, so in case the star was a small star, an average star, that is our sun, it will form a nebula and a white dwarf. So this gives the light which goes through this nebula, and that's why we are able to see beautiful colors of the nebula. And in case it was a pretty massive star, this supernova will form a black hole. Okay, so this was the life cycle of a star. Hope it was helpful.